Alright, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me, but got like some down trees over there, so kinda gotta, we're moving the vehicles into like the middle of the yard since I got all these big ass trees up here. Hopefully the wind doesn't kinda ruin it too bad. But yeah, it's not looking like Paul's garage is gonna hold up too well. It's already taken a pretty good beating. I'm gonna try and have to figure out a good way to fix it, but that thing is, she's seen better days. Look at that shit. That thing got fucked. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that pole's toast. So yeah, this kind of sucks. Yeah. Fucking, that thing is fucked. Yeah, it's already tied down on this side. There's really not too much I can really do. I guess I'll try and tie it a little bit tighter so that way hopefully it doesn't tip any more than it already has. So yeah, that really fucking sucks. Good old Wisconsin weather, I guess. Oh, and then it's like flurries right now, so should be fun. But yeah, little fun update there for you. So I kind of got his garage kind of okay. I've got a ratchet strap from there up to there, and then I put like a piece of string and a bungee cord across to kind of keep the top A-frame closer together. I've got bricks down here which are kind of like moving, but and then this thing's fucked, so I'm gonna just good old duct tape and fix her up again. So yeah, it's a fun time here with the beautiful Wisconsin weather. It's fixed, duct taped real good. Put like a piece of fucking I think it's like a ½ inch square tubing in there, and then just duct tape the fuck out of it. So hopefully it ain't going nowheres. So yeah, the fun continues here at Garageless. So yeah, like me and Paul were just out here, like, cause he stopped by to, you know, work on his fucking garage, you know, just to make sure that it's gonna make it last through the storm. Look at this fucking shit. Literally, like within like 20 minutes, the fucking ground's covered in snow again. And it's like windy as shit, like, oh my god. What the hell? So yeah, just another little update. Well, I came outside to clear snow and Paul's garage has collapsed. The really shitty part is trying to figure out how to get the snow out, because it's like super, I don't know, it's like super heavy snow. So, yeah, this really fucking sucks. Because it's just sitting here resting on the fucking roof. Because this shit is, it just fucking, yeah. This kind of sucks. So, yeah. Not a good day for Garageless. So, now I gotta fucking try and get this shit cleared off. Man, this is proving to be fun. I'm shoveling out between the garages here. I got mine off. And then this is what I'm still dealing with. I ended up taking the poles out. Well, there's still poles here, but the middle one I took out because it's all fucked. It's still attached in the middle, but I've still got a huge fucking pile over there. And I'm not particularly sure how I'm going to go about getting them out. So I've been trying to slowly make it over, but I don't know if this is slowing me down over here because it's piling up or something. So I'm going to shovel this out and then we'll continue to try and get the snow that's up on here. All that snow. So keep going. Alright, well, we got the in between the garages done. Or I got it done, and then so now I gotta just try and get the rest of that off of there. Yeah, because this is how we're sitting. It's just sitting on the shit, so yep. I'll continue here. I'll tune in here after I get this hopefully all done. Shitty part is it's still snowing, so that means in the morning I'm gonna have to fucking do all this shit all over again. So, oh, the funds, Wisconsin, you've got me good. All right, that's pretty much, it's the best I'm gonna be able to get it. That's pretty much everything off the roof. It is actually everything off the roof. So I just gotta clean this off and clean this section out again, and then we'll be good. Then we'll hopefully we'll see what it looks like in the morning, I guess. Really sucks. I don't know how the hell we're gonna recoup from this one. Pretty much just gonna have to try and piece together some fixes for this shit, but it fucked up pretty much everything, so. Yep. Get this cleaned up, and then I'll go inside, edit up this video, and I'll post it today. So, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. This is the type of fun shit we get to deal with. So, yep. I'm out.